Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is A bloop. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is and on my channel I share videos of recipes that I love cooking. Today I am going to be sharing my lamb chop recipe. I paired my lamb chops with a broccoli salad. It's very easy. I'm just gonna pan sear the lamb chops with just rosemary, very simple, and I'm gonna also stir fry the broccoli. I like it nice and crispy. It's almost not even cooked. That's how crunchy I like it. It has nuts in it, so alternatively you could not put the nuts in and maybe replace the nuts with a nice white sauce. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe guys, and if you really like the video, any suggestions of what you would like to see me cooking, please leave a comment below. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, let's get into it. These are the ingredients for the broccoli salad. We have our broccoli, we have our chili flakes, we have our almond nuts, and our salt and pepper. So now I'm gonna chop the almond nuts. Okay, for our lamb chops, we have the lamb chops, the loin lamb chops. Why is it still lingering there? Okay, fine, they're nice lamb chops, very nice pieces. Lamb chops again, in case you didn't see them. Nice lamb chops. I have my garlic, the rosemary, the salt and pepper, and I have the oil and the butter to fry. I'm going to use the butter to fry. So now I'm going to mix all these ingredients to make my marinade. I'm gonna start with 1 teaspoon, well, a lot of teaspoons of garlic, and a nice healthy pinch of rosemary. I'm gonna go in with my salt and pepper. And I'm gonna put a little bit of the oil just to bind everything together. There's my oil. I'm gonna stir everything together. And then I'm gonna put this mixture onto my lamb chops. I'm gonna massage all these ingredients so every piece gets a little bit of this immersion flavor. And after marinating your lamb chops, make sure you let them sit until they're room temperature so that they cook evenly. If you defrosted them outside, then they should be fine. Or if you want to deepen your flavor, you can let them sit for like an hour before you fry them. But this is enough for me. So they are room temperature. After I put this on, I'm going to fry them immediately. There you go.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay guys, that is it for me today. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, guys. I would really appreciate your thumbs ups. And if you have any suggestions on what I could do better, please leave your comment below, or anything you'd like to see me cook. I am open to ideas, guys. But for now, I'll keep sharing what I like, and I hope you enjoy. Until next time, bye.